In the last video, we have imported the stage using the PSR method, and in this video, we'll see a alternative path, which is using a MVR file. And a brief explanation on what is a MVR file is a file that contains all the patch data, so your fixture ID, the address, and the position for position rotation, and the geometry for every fixture on your stage. So we're gonna use this file to build our stage from scratch. So we are not receiving a file from a house LED or something like this. So let's jump into the software. The MVR method got really similar to PSR in the last version, the version 2.4. So now you do this through the show creator. So what you want to do is change the source to MVR user, and then I'm gonna change it to my USB, and I'm gonna import this MVR. I'm gonna import everything. You can choose if you wanna just like import the fixtures, the group object, scene. I'm just gonna import everything. I want the whole stage. I'm gonna select, rename, MVR example, rename. And here you'll see the same screen we had on the PSR method. And since I don't have any, I don't have any ID matching, I'm just gonna merge the MVR and finish. The only difference is that since we're just importing from an MVR file, we don't have any other information to import. And now let's just check our stage, our new stage. We have here stage 4. Our fixtures are here. And we have a few patch collisions. We're gonna fix that later. I'm gonna show you another tool we have in the show file. But one thing I want you guys to notice is that since I have exported this MVR from an actual MA3 file, the fixture types are okay. They are actual fixture types with DMX channels. Everything looks cool here, you know. But if you're importing your MVR from a file that you exported from Depends or WYSIWYG or Vectorworks, you will usually not have the actual fixture type information. So what you will need to do is replace the fixture types that you have when importing, like the placeholders fixture types that the MVR gives you, with the actual one. So you have to go in your patch, import the fixture types here, and then replace the placeholder ones, okay? With the fixtures imported, in the next video, we will see some patch tools that can be useful at this stage. See you next video.